the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about right home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
Carbo is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
a reality.
At first glance, this appears to be a standard road bike, but take another look. No chain and no sprockets. Less drag, less maintenance. Longer pedal cranks, more leverage, more torque. Vertical motion, more gravity, more speed. Cycling is a sport where the leg is attached directly to a machine. The bike. With linear motion, there's less stress to the body. So less blood oxygen requirements to the legs, less strain on the heart, and less flexing of the hips, knees, and ankles. 15 years ago, this was just an idea to go faster. But with the help of competitive riders, engineers, medical professionals, production machinists, bike retailers, and experience in designing and building experimental aircraft, what it became is faster, simpler, and safer riding. Pedal cranks over 2 times longer deliver twice the power to the rear wheel, and vertical pedaling takes advantage of gravity throughout the entire stroke. The prototype frame weighs under 3 pounds. A new computer design weighs even less, improves its strength, and simplifies production. The gearbox that converts linear pedaling to rotational motion weighs less than the chain and sprockets of a 10-speed. And a built-in mechanism prevents horizontally opposed lockup of the drive levers by advancing one pedal at the top of the stroke and retarding the opposite pedal at the bottom. It also provides for a smooth, natural transition from one stroke to the next. Removing the rear wheel is quick and simple. Open 2 quick-release levers and disconnect the shifter cable. That's it. And for transporting, it all fits easily and securely in the back of a car. So here it is. New bike, more benefits.
The first conversicle of its kind. I'm an electric city bike and a cargo bike at the same time. I combine the best of both worlds. In normal use, you can ride me as comfortably as a common bike and I take up the same space. And flip, I spontaneously turn into a cargo bike. Isn't that cool? Picking up parcels, sombrero, spontaneous shopping, photo equipment, Cute babies? No problem at all. You're having a barbecue with friends and you're running out of drinks? One half soft drinks, one half beers. Don't mix them. Cheers. I got a split. Beep, 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 beep. Oh. The usual bike rack is made for normal bikes. A common cargo bike is too long and too wide for it. And flip. But let's have a look at the details. This guy is David, the inventor of the Conversicle. During the last couple of years, he has worked a lot on the topic of mobility, studying industry design. One of the biggest problems, there are too many cars. An environmentally friendly answer is the cargo bike. However, those common cargo bikes aren't easy to handle in everyday life. But I, on the other hand, am compact and can spontaneously unfold, as you've already seen. Another advantage is that I have only 2 wheels. Now, when you're riding a bike, you steer by tilting rather than using the handlebar. Now, if I had 3 wheels, I'd have to take much bigger turns. Unfolding is possible for me because I do not have 1, but 2 chains. The rear one unfolds together with the rear wheel. Really clever, don't you think? Did I actually mention that I have a removable battery? Today, David is working together with a whole team of engineers and bicycle professionals to get me in production. And this is where you come in. We need your support for achieving this goal. You want to do something for your health, for the environment, or a simpler everyday life? Then support the Conversicle so we can soon flip out together. Hop on, David, and let's take a ride. Roll credits. Sorry.
Introducing Strøm City. An affordable and feature-packed e-bike designed for one thing and one thing only. Transporting you from A to B with ease. We're the founders of Strøm Bikes, from the biking capital of the world, Denmark.
Our mission is to make inner city commuting more sustainable and convenient.
Strøm City is your new weapon against traffic. It hides a world of power inside its sleek design, allowing you to easily conquer city streets, arrive at your destination with peace of mind and a smile on your face. Strøm City is the most flexible transportation choice. The 6-level pedal assist lets you tailor the ride to fit your mood in any situation. Strøm City gives you the freedom to explore city life from a whole new perspective. Life is a beautiful ride. Let Strøm take you on new adventures.
Welcome to the 21st century, where finally turn signal indicators found their way to the bike world. Every third bicycle accident is a turn accident because drivers simply overlook you making a turn. But the Zarathustra turn signal now make your way safe. The Zarathustra turn signal indicators are the next step in the evolution of road safety for bicycles. Inspired by classic bicycle accessory design and developed in Germany, machined from high-grade aluminum, combined with classy leather band and sophisticated electronics, the Zarathustra turn signal indicators are truly one of a kind. Easy mounting and charging make them easy to use for everyone. In the standby mode, both handlebar grips are lit and you are better visible for other road users. 20 ultra-bright LEDs on each grip indicate which direction you want to go. If you need a brake, the red brake lights will light up brightly. Since early 2018, we are developing the Zarathustra turn signal grips. Countless drafts and prototypes were made. Thousands of hours were spent by our professional team to make our dream come true.